Count the pencils shown. The number of pencils is 1. Next question. Count the pencils. The number of pencils this time is 2. Next question. Count the pencils now. The number of pencils is 3. Count the pencils now. The number of pencils is 4. Count the pencils in this figure. The number of pencils shown is 5. How many pencils this time? The number of pencils is 6. Count the pencils now. The number of pencils is 7. Count the pencils shown now. The number of pencils is 8. How many pencils now? The number of pencils is 9. How many pencils now? The number of pencils is It is a bundle of 10. We just did a lot of questions. All questions are shown here together. That's all for today. Take a break.